In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Careem bike rider in here. So if you're looking for a flexible way to earn money by delivering food and packages, this guide will walk you through the steps to sign up and start working with Careem. So first, check your eligibility requirements. Before signing up, make sure you meet Careem's requirements. You must have a valid driver's license for motorcycles and a smartphone with the Careem Captain app installed, and then a bike or a motorcycle in good conditions. So requirements may vary by location and necessary permits or documents depending on your country. So now let's head over to the become a captain on your Careem application. So it will redirect you to the another page, and in here you'll need to import or input the datas that they want in order for you to become a bike rider here in Careem. And that's it. That's how you become a bike rider. So once you're signed up, you can start earning by delivering food and parcel with Careem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.